spread these out a little bit then. Let's see. Spread these out a little bit. Okay, perfect. A little dirt in there. A little dirt in there. I'm just not good at putting at keeping flowers alive in pots. I don't know what it is. I'm great at doing it out in the yard. These pots be giving me some trouble. I think these plants will last because I planted these before. They're just annuals. They just last a year, but they normally last all year long. Look good all year long, so hoping this be the same with these. I think they're gonna look good, grow good. Look good, look good. Alright, baby. The first pot, I think that's gonna look good. They're gonna grow up pretty good. I think I got enough dirt in there all over the place. Yep. I think they're gonna look real good. Take your time with this stuff. Are you here? I'm gonna grow up and look real good, baby. I'm gonna look good. If they could last me for the whole year, I would be the happiest man in the world. Alright, let's take that ugly one out. Put that in there, and that'll be a wrap. Let's get a little more H2O. A little more hydration, baby. Just a little more hydration, baby. Just gotta take your time with this stuff. You know, it's a lot of work, but I like doing it. I like doing it. Let's do a little bit each day, each week. It's my little weekend thing. Well, actually, yesterday, me and Babe had a pop-up. So, we actually was at our pop-up yesterday, so today is the day I'm able to relax. Able to relax, baby. Let's take this ugly one out. This stuff is dying out like crazy. It makes no sense. Let's see. Stir it out. Oh yeah, that's gonna look good. That's gonna look good. Nice little front porch appearance. Do the dirt, recycle it. This is good dirt. I don't want to throw this away. Call recycling, baby. Recycling, baby. I think that's good enough. Get them 4 in here. Get them 4 up in here. Call it a day. Call it a day, baby. Dirt around them. I did the last one. All around the outside, so they don't be up against the dirt between them and the flower pot. Trying to do anyway. That might be a Reezy on a Fashizi. Furry ball. Good to me. That look good to me. Yeah. Oh yeah. go. That's all my planting. 2 flower pots. Got them dead bushes out. That's gonna grow up real nice and big. Kind of like the one in front of the mailbox. That's only 2 in front of the mailbox. So I got 3 here, so these should grow even bigger. So, alright, we'll see. That's it, baby. That's my planting. So come and follow me at Joel's Eyes on my YouTube to see more footage. I got all kind of stuff, you know, me pouring concrete, me cooking, juicing, doing my juices, you know, a little bit of everything. So just follow me on Joel's Eyes, JOEL apostrophe S Eyes, and check me out. Alright then, holla holla.